In this video, you'll learn how to convert USDT to ZAR on Binance. This guide will provide step-by-step instructions to help you complete the conversion process smoothly and efficiently. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once logged in, navigate to the trade section located in the main menu. From there, select the conversion option, which will open the conversion panel. Ensure that you have USDT available in your spot wallet, as this is the asset you will be converting. Next, in the convert panel, choose USDT as the asset you want to convert. Then select ZAR as the currency you wish to receive. It is essential to verify that your USDT balance is sufficient for the conversion before proceeding to the next step, as insufficient funds will prevent the transaction from completing. After selecting the currencies, enter the amount of USDT you want to convert into the designated field. Once you have entered the desired amount, click on the preview conversion button. This action will display the current exchange rate and the amount of ZAR you will receive. Take a moment to review the details carefully, as this will ensure you are aware of the conversion terms before finalizing the transaction. When you are satisfied with the conversion details, confirm the transaction within the time limit indicated on the screen. This step is crucial, as the rates may change if you take too long to confirm. Once you confirm the conversion, the process will complete instantly, and you will receive a confirmation message indicating the successful transaction. After the conversion is complete, navigate to your Fiat wallet to verify that your ZAR balance has been updated. You can also check your transaction history to find confirmation of the conversion. The funds will be available for withdrawal if needed, allowing you to access your newly converted currency promptly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.